Hi Danielle. I'm gonna make a little video here because I can't really do anything else. I'm gonna try to show you what I can't send you a link because all I can get is a screenshot of what's happening. So I'm here in my Modern Humanities TNE campus course, and I'll take you there to make sure it's all clear. I'm in the module 3. Well, interesting. Here we are, module 3, and I'm in the lessons, and I'm going into the last lesson about music, 'cause that's where many of the Films on Demand videos are. And I'm going to go into Mozart, and here's the page, the topic page, and then here, this is what I've been sending you in the screenshot. And so my problem is, when I click on this, as you can see, nothing happens. So I can't send you a link because I can't get in there. It shows it down here, but not in such a way that I can actually send it to you because I can't really see it. Let me see if I move this up a little bit. Maybe you can capture it. Okay, so we're looking down here. And there it is. Okay, well maybe you can capture that and see if it's the right link or not. Hopefully you can see that. And I can go in and show you what I've got in there, so you can double check me. I'm not sure why that would matter though. If you're taking me to the main resource instead of just the particular film. Here's the embed code. Anyway, so I'll give this a whirl. I'll send this to you. I appreciate you very much working through this with me. I'm stumped, but I have limited knowledge of this kind of thing, so I hope you can help me figure out what I'm doing wrong. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all your time and help on this. Bye for now.